Hey, Tamara here, and thanks for watching the video. So before I join a program or system for making money online, there's a few things I want to look for. One, how easy it is to use, what's provided in the system, how fast and how much will I make in commissions, and will I be building an email list so I can follow that email list up with not just this offer, but other offers in the future. Well, I'm happy to report that List Infinity ticks all the boxes. So you get paid $100 instant direct commissions into your PayPal or Stripe account, which are both free to set up. You also get training on about how to get free traffic through social media. You even get a free holiday to 125 destinations. Without further ado, let me take you inside and show you exactly what List Infinity is all about and the results that I'm getting so far. Of course, I'm going to do updated videos so you can follow me along the way, see how I do personally, and hopefully you'll join as well, because you can join for free and then upgrade at any time. And you make those instant $100 commissions unlimited. All right, so let's go inside, take a tour. Okay, let's break down List Infinity. Now, when you click on that link below, you're going to come to this page, which is one of the 14 landing pages you can choose, which is done for you. So you don't have to worry about how to create websites or landing pages or anything like that. It's done for you, which is one of the reasons why I really like this program. So once you put your email in there and send me the video, you will be taken to this page. So I would recommend watching this quick video. This kind of breaks down what you're going to get. So why building an email list is so important? Well, many people don't buy something the first time they see it. So when you have email follow-ups, then, it reminds them of all the pros for joining this program or the service. And sometimes they say the average, someone has to see something 5 to 7 times before they buy. So you also get 30 done for you email campaign, which is super, super easy to set up. I am going to show you inside the membership site so you get to see everything. This is, like I said, no holds back, honest review, and why I personally joined. Okay, so you're also going to get, as I said, the main reasons I love it is that because you get $100 per sale instantly to your PayPal or Stripe account, and both of these are free to set up. So say that you did join under me. Basically, you just click here to create your free account, and then you can upgrade it anytime, and it's only $100. But when you pay that $100, well, it comes instantly straight to me into my PayPal or Stripe account. That's sweet, because a lot of affiliate marketing programs, you either have to make a minimum amount before you start receiving payouts, or they only pay out weekly or monthly. So this is instant. And that's where I'll show you these testimonials below. Another great thing I like about List Infinity is that every 5th lead your referrals generate passes up directly to your email list. So that's where the viral email leads come in, which is pretty cool. So basically you're going to get 20% of all your referrals. If they don't buy straight away, then they get passed up to your email list. So they're going to get your own 30 email follow-ups, which have your own affiliate link in it. So that's pretty cool. So basically the more referrals you get, personal referrals you get, the more total referrals you're going to get. Sweet. So like I said, this system is so easy, and you also get training and promotion tools for free traffic. Now traffic just means people, leads, people that you send to your landing page right here. Okay, so that's what they mean by traffic. So you'll also get access to the Facebook group where you can also receive support and just see how everyone else is doing. So these are just people's testimonials. See, boom, $100, $100, $100, and that's unlimited. So for your one-time payment of $100, you're going to receive unlimited $100. It's kind of a no-brainer, which is one of the reasons I joined. There you go. She's made 43. So as I said, it's 100% commissions. You get the capture pages, your daily leads added directly to your email list. The 30 done for you email follow-ups are done for you as well. So there's 14 of these that you can choose any one, experiment, test them, see which one works best for you. And then if you do sign up for the pro membership, like I said, you can sign up as a free member, no problem. There's no pressure. You can upgrade if you want or don't. But when you do sign up for a pro as a pro for that $100, you're going to also receive free Facebook traffic strategies, 10K a month blueprint, TikTok marketing, YouTube authority, Instagram mindsets. Because that's another thing. When people join programs, they think they're going to make money right away. Well, it takes time. It's like any business. You don't open up a restaurant or a shop on the streets and expect to be making millions of dollars the first week. No. However, it's very easy with this to at least make, your first sale in your first week. So that's another reason why online marketing is great, because it can be much quicker than, a physical store or something like that. But have some realistic expectations, and it all reflects on how much work you put in. How many times are you posting on your social media, or are you buying traffic, solo ads, things like that. So make sure you have the right perspective or mindset. So this will also help you with that. And you also, when you become a pro, you get a free vacation to one of 125 locations. And these are some of them. So it depends. It's either 4 days and 3 nights to many of them. Or Hawaii, 6 days, 5 nights, 5 days, 4 nights. So it depends where you go, how many nights it is. And they are free, but they doesn't include your flights or obviously food or drink. But you get the hotel night stays for free. So you get that for $100 for joining pro. And yeah, there are no timeshare. So basically, to set up your Infinity List Pro, it is really this easy. Set up the system. It took me, and I also set up my Stripe account. So I would say it took me about 45 minutes in total, maybe even less. And then you just select one of your lead pages, which I'll show you in a sec, inside the membership site, and then just promote your link. And you're going to get all the training on showing you how to do that, getting free leads from social media like Facebook. And then these are just some of the frequently asked questions. And you get basically inside 500 subscribers, totally free, to Aweber or GetResponse. And like I said, you can either use PayPal or Stripe. Okay, so now let's look inside the membership site. So these are the lead capture pages. So like I said, you can choose whichever one you want. Your link's already included in there. So this is where you want to send people, right? This is where you want to send your traffic to your landing page. Whichever one you choose, you can chop and change, whatever works for you. And then the system setup, it gives you step-by-step directions how to set it up. And inside you can click to get your free Aweber or GetResponse trial. I would suggest using Aweber, because then you can literally just with the click of a button import your email campaign into your free Aweber account. If you do go with GetResponse or another email autoresponder, which means you'd have to build your own landing page, but it's still possible. But with Aweber, yeah, click of a button, it's imported with your affiliate links. And then if you use GetResponse or any other email autoresponder, then you click a button and you can just copy and paste the 30 days of email follow-ups. So it is flexible, but like I said, Aweber is probably easier to use for this one. And then you set up your PayPal or your Stripe account to receive payments. And there's also 4 more income streams inside, which are all free to join, which are right here. So Udemy, ClickMagick, Facebook Marketing, and Aweber. Okay, so anyone who joins under you, once you join them all, you put your links in there, like I'm using tracking links. And then when someone else, like someone who's below me, they want to, they buy one of these things, then I'll also receive commissions on top of the $100 commissions for Infinity List. So there's 5 income streams really. And then you also get solo ad secrets. So that's through Udemy, which is the biggest solo ad market. The Rolodex, so sellers that they recommend for solo ads. Free traffic systems. So this is about Facebook, some promotion tools, and then also pro training videos, which are like we talked about earlier. So you get all this with the pro. As a free account, I think you just get this one and maybe solo ad secrets. And obviously, you can still use it to build an email list as a free member, but you won't receive any commissions. So you need to upgrade to pro. I have literally just done 2 TikTok videos because I only joined a couple days ago, and already I've got 2 free members and a bunch of people that have signed up to my list on 2 TikTok videos. That's all I've done, just because I've had a few things on. So it works. The system works. I definitely don't recommend anything that I don't research myself first and try it out. So make sure you subscribe, because I will give you, keep you updated on how I'm doing with it. But so far, so good, kind of thing. Okay, so if you have any questions, leave your comments below. And if you do join under me, you can just reply to any of my emails if you need help, and I will help you out. Because that's another thing. When you get someone who has joined as a free member, you get their email link so you can personally reach out to them, which I would recommend, which I am going to do as soon as I finish this video, because I want to include this video link in my emails just so they can see exactly what they're getting inside and know that I'm here to help you. Because I've been working online for a few years now, so I know what I'm doing. And as a bonus, not only will you get my personal help if you need it, like I said, reach out via email, and I will also be sending you these 4 free bonuses just for joining my team for List Infinity. And you just download these, which are all books that I've written for you. Okay, all right, so I will see you next time. And like I said, I will keep you updated on how I'm going with List Infinity. All right, cheers. Have yourself an awesome day.